If you're on the lookout for a phone that's under 2,000 ringgit with flagship specs, I think there are two options that you can look at, okay? So the first one is the Honor 200 and this is the Samsung A55. Now in this video, let me help you decide which one is better. Let's go. What's up guys, Jason Smashpop here. So in this video, let's do a comparison between these two phones in my hands now, okay? Now when it comes to specs, the Honor 200 actually comes in 12GB plus 256GB or 12GB plus 512GB. And on the Samsung side, we actually get 8GB plus 128 or 12GB plus 256. Now when it comes to pricing, both are very similar, but the Honor 200 is actually 100 ringgit cheaper with bigger ROM. The next thing we want to compare definitely is the camera, because that's the most important thing that we look at, right? Now, the Honor 200 actually comes with a 50 megapixel main camera, 50 megapixel telephoto camera, 12 megapixel ultra-wide and macro camera, and also on the front, 50 megapixel selfie camera. Compared to the three cameras at the back of Samsung, the specs are 50 megapixel main camera, 12 megapixel ultra-wide, 5 megapixel macro, and also 32 megapixel selfie camera. So if you look at the specs for both the phones, obviously the Honor 200 has better camera specs with higher megapixels, higher resolution, and did I also mention that the Honor 200 has dual anti-shake, which is OIS plus EIS. So let's zoom quickly to charging, okay? Now, when you open the box, when you unbox both the Samsung A55 and also the Honor 200, you'll be surprised. Not because just the price. It's because inside the box, you will find that the Honor 200 actually comes with 100-watt adapter, okay? The charging brick is inside the box. But if you buy the Samsung A55, nothing. Never give you anything except the cable only, and you have to use your own charging adapter, okay? So which one more value? Of course the Honor 200 more value lah. Comparing to the Samsung A55, it is only 25 watt, okay? Even if you want to compare the battery size lah, both also very similar. A55 is 5000 mAh, which is already very big, but the Honor 200 actually has 5200 mAh. When it comes to performance, we all know, right? Android phones must always pair with a Snapdragon chipset. If it's not a Snapdragon chipset, it's like okay lah, boleh lah, like that, right? Hence, the Honor 200 actually comes with a Snapdragon 7 Gen 3 processor, but the Samsung A55 only an Exynos 1480 processor. Apa tu? For entertainment wise, I think the Honor 200 instantly win. See, I'm not even holding the Samsung anymore because the Honor 200 has a stereo speaker system, which also means the speaker sound comes from left and right side while you are watching movie. And the screen is also bigger than Samsung. This is 6.7 inch, the Samsung is 6.6 inch only. And speaking of the screen, the Samsung actually has 1000 nits peak brightness, but the Honor 200 already win, okay, because it has 4000 nits peak brightness. To top that off, okay, let's talk about the display a little bit. It also has this feature called full screen AOD, also known as full screen always on display, so you can actually see your information on the lock screen without even activating the screen, okay? There's also wet hand touch feature whereby even though the screen is wet, you can still play with the phone and also touch on the UI using your fingers. Now, when it comes to AI, we all know that Samsung is famous for AI, circle to search and all those things, right? But did you know that AI features are actually not activated currently for the local version of the Samsung A55? Basically, there's no AI lah means. But the Honor 200 has AI features, for example, Magic Capsule. And also Magic Portal. And Smart Folder. And speaking of Magic Capsule, it was actually announced along with the Magic 6 Pro, but Honor actually took that feature and put it into the Honor 200. When it comes to toughness, both the phones are actually very tough because the Samsung A55 actually uses Corning Gorilla Glass Victus Plus glass, which is very strong, okay? And the Honor actually uses super reinforced glass. But what is so special about Honor is they actually provide free 365 days front and back crack replacement, okay? So just in case you crack your phone on the front or the back, you can just go and replace within 1 year, okay? No need to scare. So, as a conclusion, after comparing all these things, right, I would like to say that the specs on the Honor 200 is actually better and you get more out of the lesser price on the Honor 200. There's also flagship camera, and I really like the portrait features whereby there's this collaboration with Harcourt to actually produce amazing looking portrait photos on the Honor 200. Charging speed also faster, as you can see just now, 100 watt, okay, compared to 25 watt only. There's also AI features like what I mentioned just now, magic capsule lah, magic portal lah, magic this lah, magic that lah, AI this lah, AI that lah. So I'm sure you will get a very smart phone when you buy this smartphone. So that's all for this comparison, okay? If you want to know more, can click on the link below this video. And if you love gadget videos like this, don't forget to subscribe, share this video, and also follow me on all social platforms. My name is Smashpop, and I'll see you in the next video. Yo!